Welcome to another tutorial. Today, I'm talking about HTTP interceptors. This concept reminds me of a telephone exchange. Every single phone call is going through the central office, and operators are in charge of establishing phone calls between subscribers. With interception, you declare interceptors that inspect and transform HTTP requests from your application to a server. Interceptors can perform a variety of implicit tasks, from authentication to logging, for every HTTP request. Without interception, developers would have to implement these tasks explicitly for each HttpClient method call. Let's create one. Add file with a name testinterceptor.ts. Now add injectable metadata. To implement an interceptor, declare a class that implements the intercept method of the HTTP interceptor interface. Now, let's add an intercept method. Apps often use an interceptor to set default headers on outgoing requests. Now, I'll add authentication for the movie API from the previous video. For more information on how to get token and other information regarding this API, please check the previous video. Links are in the description below. If we inspect the request in our app right now, you can see that we don't have authorization sent with our request, and our request fails. Let's add it. Here, the only thing we are doing is cloning the request and setting headers to the same request. And finally, we return that cloned request. To inject our interceptor, I add it to providers array in the root module. And now, if we load the page, we can see that in requests, we are getting authentication sent with every request. That's all for the basic Angular introduction. In the next video series, I'm gonna cover more advanced Angular topics like testing, animations, translations, service workers, and similar. If you want to support my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And I see you guys in the next one. Take care.